Like many of us, the Springfield College Dance Program is utilizing technology to unite them during the coronavirus crisis. While they can't dance together in a studio, they are using the Zoom app to meet together online. Western Mass News reporter Sabrina Riley has more on why they're inviting the community to join them.
For the past month, colleges around the area have transitioned to virtual learning, something that's been more difficult for hands-on subjects.
How do I imagine transitioning movement courses as well as other lecture courses to an online format?
Sarah Zehnder is the dance program director at Springfield College. She tells Western Mass News that realizing they could no longer meet together as a class was a hard pill to swallow.
I have to say, there were tears shed on both my part and the students, just because with dance and with movement, there is something that's going to be lost naturally just from not physically being in the same room.
But that hasn't stopped them from finding a way to keep the music playing and their bodies moving.
Honestly, immediately I just started looking for resources in order to make that transition, what positive things could come out of where we find ourselves right now, and trying to uplift the students as much as I can from a distance.
All the classes are easily accessible through the Zoom app and only require limited space to do.
In terms of creating movement for everyone's spaces, that was an elaborate process. I'm trying to be flexible, also make them sweat and give them a full dance experience, and most importantly, have a sense of community and togetherness during this time of physically having to be apart.
And if you're looking for ways to stay active and uplifted while at home, the college is inviting you to join them for free.
Dance is a wonderful outlet, regardless of your skill level. It is a way to move and come together. I would encourage anyone that is curious, that wants to participate, to join us. And you don't have to be a professional mover in order to take these classes. The hope was that maybe we could provide some uplifting moments together as a community through this platform of dancing with each other.
The next class being offered is this Thursday at 2 in the afternoon. You can find a link to it on our website, westernmassnews.com. For Western Mass News, I'm Sabrina Riley.